Today, we're going to do a walk around of our Texas Pride 7-foot wide, 18,000 pound bumper pull dump trailer. This particular model is available either 12-foot, 14-foot, or 16-foot length. We're going to start up front and work our way to the back. Up front, we have a forged 4-hole adjustable coupler that allows you to adjust to the hitch height of your trailer to your truck evenly to ensure that your trailer rides level going down the road. Behind the coupler, you have a heavy 8-inch channel tongue. Now, most people in the industry use a lighter 6-inch channel, but we believe that 8 inches provides more strength and stability. Next, we have a standard 12,000 pound drop leg jack that is spring loaded. Most other trailers have a much lighter jack on them, but we feature one of the heaviest jacks you can get for a trailer this size. This trailer also comes standard with a 7-way electrical plug, and all of the wiring on the trailer is modular and sealed to ensure years of trouble-free use. On the tongue of the trailer, you'll find the heavy-duty locking steel pump box. Inside it contains the high-capacity deep cycle marine-grade battery. This powers the electric over hydraulic pump. Now, one main feature of our pumps is that they are power up and power down. What this means is that the pump uses the battery instead of gravity to make the bed come down. This is important in cold climates and in the winter season. Without this feature, your dump bed can get stuck in the up position when the hydraulic fluid gets below optimal temperatures. On the side, you have an onboard battery tester and charger. It allows you to push a button to see the status of the battery. If it's low, you simply lift the flap and connect a standard 110-volt extension cord to charge the battery. One important thing to note on our trailers is that the charge is an 8-amp charger, not the standard 3.5-amp chargers that are used by most competitors. What this means for you is that if you come home with a dead battery, you can simply plug it in and have it full and ready to go the next morning. Walking around to the side of the trailer, let's start with the main frame of the trailer, which is 6-inch heavy wall tubing. This makes for a much stronger and stiffer main frame than channel or I-beam used by other manufacturers. Underneath the trailer, you'll find a dual-cylinder hoist system. Now, some people ask, scissor lift or dual ram? Each has their own application. We offer both, and in the end, let you, the customer, decide which is better for you. We found the dual-cylinder hoist system to have a bit more power, so that's why we made it the standard hoist system on our dump trailers. The sides of the trailer come 24-inch standard, but you have the option 3-foot, 4-foot, or even higher sides if you choose. The top rail of the sides is made of heavy wall tubing to help preserve integrity even under severe use. Also, on the rails, you have stake pockets standard so that you can raise the side height if you wish. Another nice standard feature on this trailer are the heavy gauge reinforced fenders, heavy enough that you can stand on. For running gear, you have 2 heavy-duty 9,000 pound 8-lug axles with brakes on all 4 wheels standard. If you get in a tight situation, you want all the braking power you can get. Now, one highly important standard feature on these axles is the convenient built-in lubrication system. To fill or top off the central grease reservoirs, you simply pop the hub's center cap off and fit a grease gun over the Zerk fitting and fill. Simple and convenient. And where the rubber meets the road is going to be 4 17.5-inch premium radial 16-ply tires mounted on 8-hole high-grade steel wheels. You also have the option for a mounted spare tire and wheel that is located on the passenger side of this trailer. It's out of the way, yet easily accessible. Around to the back of the trailer, the first thing you'll notice is the standard barn doors, which open and latch back to allow you to easily load equipment with the optional ramps. Standard on this model are the 4 D-rings in the bed to allow you to secure any equipment you transport in your trailer. Another important standard feature is that almost all moving points on the trailer have grease zerks for easy lubrication and years of trouble-free use. When it comes to the paint and finish on a Texas Pride trailer, we spare absolutely no expense. The process starts with a full media blasting to remove any rust or scale. Then each trailer is fully primed top to bottom in preparation for the 2 top coats of automotive-grade acrylic enamel paint, all of which is done in our new state-of-the-art paint facility. This ensures you have a protective, durable, and shiny finish for years to come. The last thing we want to mention is that lifetime LED lighting is standard for all Texas Pride models, and all lighting is either recessed or steel encased to protect them from accidents and the elements. We appreciate you taking the time to look at our Texas Pride 18,000-pound dump trailer.